Hey everybody, welcome back to Papa's Workshop and Adventures. Today in the workshop, it's part 5 of our power tool workbench build. Today we should be finishing up the framing and getting the wheels mounted on the bottom there, and then starting getting ready to mount all our tools in it. So let's go ahead and get it started. I picked up this router table at Goodwill for about $12, so we're going to go ahead and get the extra pieces torn off, because all we're really going to use is the solid plate in the middle there. And so we're going to get torn down and get it fitted on the table. Alright, now that I got the piece off that I need, I'm going to go ahead and measure out for where the final support brace needs to go, and then we'll start getting the bench ready for the tools to be mounted and add the wheels. Alright, so the router table itself is actually 1.25 inches thick, and the top I'm going to be using is only 3/4 inch thick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a couple of little indentations in the framing so that the router table will fit down nice and snug. Alright, now that we got the router table mounted up there, we're going to go ahead and get the table saw off its base and get it set down in and start getting it centered in and measured up. Alright, so the table saw mounted a little bit low, so I went ahead and cut some shims out of some 5mm ply that I had laying around. And while those are gluing, or while this glue is drying on those, let's go ahead and mount the wheels on the bottom. So the fasteners I was using to hold the wheels on, A, I didn't have enough, and B, I don't believe they were strong enough. So I had to go run down to the Big Orange Box store and get some different fasteners. So we're going to re-put the wheels on this side with the new fasteners, and then go ahead and do the other side as well. Alright, so here's our progress so far. We've got our wheels mounted on the bottom there. We've got our table saw set in place here. And we've got our router table set in place here. And so it's mobile. It's got a couple of tools mounted here. And it's getting close, guys. It's getting close. So we're going to wrap up this video here. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to continue the journey, keep on going, see how this turns out, then you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button. They'll notify you when new videos come out, or any new videos other than just this one. And on the next video, we should be fitting the top here and getting it cut out and set in place, and also setting the threaded inserts for the bandsaw and the miter saw right across the middle here. So thank you all for watching. and we'll see you on the next one.